Firstly, to add sound to our game, we would maybe want to add background music. So in server script service, we will add a script, and here we'll first of all do local sound equals to, and then in quotation marks, we will have to put in the ID of our sound. So I'm just going to, from the toolbox, find some sound that would fit as background music. So we will copy the sound ID, and then in our script and these quotation marks we will paste it. Then we can remove the sound and return to our script. Now we have to figure out how long our sound is. So in this case, this sound is 10 seconds long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop some lines and do while wait 10, because in my case the sound is 10 seconds long, so I'm going to use 10. You can use how many ever seconds your sound that you're using on is. Then if you drop a line, you can do local sound obj equals to instance dot new sound, drop a line, sound obj dot sound ID equals to sound, drop another line, sound obj dot parent equals to workspace, because this way the sound will be at all hearable. Then we will have to do, also before this, we'll do sound obj dot play unremoved equals to true, and then after the dot parent equals to workspace, we'll do sound obj colon play, actually, because instead of us playing it, we will destroy the sound obj. So now if we go into the game, let's see if, as we can hear, the sound is already playing, but let's see if after 10 seconds it will play again. Yes, it continues to loop, because first of all, we get the sound ID, then every 10 seconds it will create a sound with the according sound ID. We set the variable to remove the sound as soon as it's played to true, and because this is a new sound, when we create and play it, it instantly gets removed, but it still plays the sound. So this way it will play the sound forever. Now assuming we don't only want background music, but we might, for instance, have a finish line part in, or whatever you have, and you just want this part to play some type of victory sound, we can do this. So we will first of all, of course, need to figure out our sound effect. So we will first of all, of course, copy the sound ID, and in the part that's supposed to play this, we'll add a script. Then mainly we will have it that in our trigger. So because I want it to be that if the part is touched, that it plays the sound, I'm just going to do script.parent.touched colon connect function hit if game.players colon find first colon get player from character hit dot parent, then local sound obj equals to instance dot new sound obj dot sound ID equals to, in quotation marks, the top ID we just copied, sound obj dot play on remove equals to true, and then we just do sound obj dot parent equals to script dot parent and sound obj colon destroy. And now if we just quickly test it out, as soon as we touch this, along with the background music. And as we can see, now we also added a sound effect for if we touch the part. And we can basically just insert these lines of code into anywhere we want it to play a sound. Perfect.